Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. You can see this MCQ's mistakes. I am 100% sure the majority of IELTS students, they are doing the same mistake that I am going to tell you. So before that, let's read the instructions. Choose the correct letter A, B, C or D, and write your answers in box 19 to 22 on your answer sheet. Okay, so these are the instructions. It's important to read. Just please pay attention towards the instructions. So here question statement. So I am telling you, first I am going to explain you the mistake that you all are doing, and the way how you can handle these MCQ multiple choice questions in IELTS reading. In paragraph A, oh my god, location is given. Paragraph, wow, it is easy to find the answer. Yes, everybody thinks that like that. Now, what do the experiments conducted by Hertz and other scientists? Now, this is the location. These are the keywords. With the help of these keywords, we can reach to the question statement. Okay, now let's read the all the options. Now they will students will start reading the options, and they will just underline all the things. Yeah. Okay, smell is superior to other senses in connection to the brain. Smell is more important than other senses. Certain part of the brain relates the emotion to the sense of smell. Okay, now tell me one thing. Can you remember all these four options? Because these are the longer ones. It's not like that dates or years they have given or the names they have given you can remember. No, these big statements, options you can't remember. Please don't read these options before. First read the question statement as I have read, but one thing you are missing. So when you will get the location with the help of these keywords, now try to understand the demand of the question. What is the demand of the question? What do the experiments conducted by these Hertz and other scientists show? Means what these experiments show done by these Hertz and other scientists. Okay, so let's read B paragraph, and of course we have to find about these persons experiment and their results. Now this is the B paragraph. Okay, so we were looking for this word and other scientists. So of course this is IELTS reading. You can get another word for that. Let's find it. So this phenomenon is getting scientific treatment. Neuroscientists, this person at Brown University in this and this have discovered, for instance, how sensory memories are shared across the brain with different brain regions. Okay, remembering the sight, smells, taste and sounds of a particular experience. Meanwhile, psychologists, means these are they mean to say other scientists. Okay, psychologists have demonstrated that memories triggered by smells can be more emotional as well as more detailed than memories not related to smells. Okay, so here he is also saying memories are shared across the brain with different brain regions, remembering these things. And here also these person have demonstrated memories triggered by smells can be more emotional as well as more detailed than memories not related to smells. When you inhale, odor molecules set brain cells dancing within a region known as this special thing. They have given something, a part of the brain that helps control emotion. In contrast, other senses such as taste of other parts of the brain before reaching this. Okay, the direct link between odors and this amygdala may help explain the emotional potency of smells. Okay, now let's look at the question statement. Now we have tried to understand, we have read everything about these two this Hertz and other scientists. Now we will read options and try to eliminate the options which they were not discussing it in the paragraph. So here they were not talking about any this woman and all, so we will cut it. And smell is superior to other senses in connection to the brain. So this is, I think they are also not talking like direct, they are not talking like smell is more superior to other senses, smell is more important than others. So it means the same is more important than other senses. Also directly it is not given. Certain part of the brain relates the emotion to the sense of smell. So certain part of the brain relates the emotion to the sense of smell. So this I can we can decide it. See this. So here certain part, a part of the brain that helps control emotion also. When you inhale odor molecules, means smell, set brain cells dancing within a region known as part of brain that helps control emotion. Actually, when after reading the paragraph, the location, then you will come back to the options. Then for these four options you have to find whether it is true or false, because here they are not talking about anything or not given. So this is not given. Smell is prior to other senses in connection to the brain, so we can say it false. Smell is more important than other senses, this is also false, you can say. Certain part, because they have given the name of this certain part within a region known as this, a part of the brain, this is perfectly matching with this statement, that's why this will come. Certain part of the brain relates the emotion to the sense of smell. See, when you inhale odor molecules, means set brain cells within this that helps control emotion. See, this relates the emotion to the sense of smell. So this is particularly given, specifically given, that's why this is the answer. Thank you so much.